So as we have completed our chapter 1, that is number system, so today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter 2, working in Windows 7. Okay, so let's get started. So the learning objectives of today's session are that you will know what are libraries, okay, then what is Windows Explorer, how to start Windows Explorer, and how to create a library. Okay, so what is library? Okay, so Windows is what is an operating system launched by Microsoft as an in 2009 as an upgrade to Windows Vista operating system. So Windows is what? It is an operating system. Okay, it was launched by the company Microsoft in the year 2009 as an upgradation to Windows Vista operating system. In Windows 7 operating system has simplified the tasks of managing data in our computer. Okay, it has simplified, it has made easy the tasks of how to organize the data in our computer. Now the Windows Explorer is what? It is the main tool that we use to interact with Windows. Okay, we need to use the Windows Explorer to view, okay, explore, organize libraries, files and folders. Okay, so Windows Explorer was used in earlier versions of operating system. So now this libraries has taken the place of Windows Explorer. Both libraries and Windows Explorer have the same function. Libraries is what? Is a kind of folder in Windows 7, okay, which allows us to organize our files in one place so that it becomes easy for us to search and use those files. Okay, so a library gathers the files that are stored in different locations. So the library will have all the files which are stored in different locations. Okay, maybe in C drive or in D drive or in My Documents, but actually hides the actual location. It will hide the actual location, but it will display them as a single collection in the libraries folder. Now Windows 7 provides 4 default libraries for documents, pictures, music and videos. So Windows 7, it provides 4 default libraries. Okay, that is documents, that means all the documents are stored in the documents folder. Pictures will be stored in the picture folder. Music will be stored in the music folder, and videos will be stored in the video folder. Okay, so actually library means what? Okay, library means where you get the books. So same way here also library is the folder where you will get all your required documents, any music file, okay, audio file, video file, everything in the same folder in one location, that is in the library. And in library you will have 4 default folders, that is documents, pictures, music and videos. So however, you can customize and create your own library based on your needs. So you can customize the library, you can create your own folder also in the library according to your own needs. Say for example, you want to store some games, okay, so you can create a game folder also in libraries where you can keep all your games. Okay, so Windows Explorer is what? It enables us to display the directory structure that includes drives and files. Okay, so this was all about your Windows Explorer and libraries. So Windows Explorer, what does it do? It enables us to display the directory structure. Okay, in a hierarchical structure, it will display all the drives and folders and files in our computer. So starting Windows Explorer, how we can start Windows Explorer? There are basically 2 ways. Okay, first one is we have to right click on the start button and you have to select open Windows Explorer, and the Explorer window will open where it will be shown as libraries. Okay, there are libraries folder as you can see in the photo over there, the image over there. Or what you have to do, you have to click on start, all programs, accessories and Windows Explorer. Or the other way is that you have to click on the start button, all programs, Windows, accessories and then Windows Explorer. The Explorer window will open and it is divided into 2 panes as shown in the figure. So it is, as you click open on Windows Explorer, okay, the same picture will, as shown on the picture, the same pane will get open, okay, which will be displayed as libraries. And you can see there are 4 different folders there: documents, music, okay, pictures and videos. So the Explorer window will open, and it is divided into two panes. Okay, the left pane and the right pane. The left pane displays the disk drives and folders in hierarchical order. So you can see on the left hand side all the different drives, folders, okay, whatever is there in that particular computer will be displayed on the left hand side. Okay. The right pane displays the content of drive and folders that is selected in the left panes. For example, if you are selecting the documents folder there, okay, so if you are clicking on documents folder, whatever files or any folders in that particular folder, in that document folder is there, will be displayed on the right hand side. That means the details will be open on the right hand side. So you will find that this one small black color triangle, and one white color triangle sign placed before the disk drive and folder name. So the white triangle indicates that a folder contains subfolder, and double clicking on that sign will display the subfolders inside the folder, and the triangle sign, the white triangle sign will change to a black triangle sign, and this process is called expanding. Okay, so when you click on a particular drive, okay, when you click on a particular drive, you will find a black color triangle. So black color triangle means what? It has got another subfolders inside that particular folder. If you click it, okay, it will expand, and at last it will show a dark black color triangle. That means what? There are no more folders inside that folder. Okay, and this process is called as what? Expanding. That means the folders will expand. Okay, it will show whatever folders are inside. If you double click on the triangle sign, the black triangle sign, okay, the expanded subfolder collapse back. So again, if you double click back, what will happen? Whatever folders have been open, again it will be collapsed back. Collapse back means again it will get closed. Okay, so this is how you can view, okay, whatever files and folders are there in your computer using Windows Explorer. Okay, next is creating a library. Now, as we have known that we can create our own library folder, okay, in order to use according to our own needs. If you want to say create a game folder, okay, so how we will do that? So to create your own library, you have to open the Explorer window, and you have to select the new library option in the toolbar. So new library folder will appear on the screen, or what you can do, you can right click on the libraries button in the navigation pane, okay, as it is shown there, okay, and then you have to select the new option in the shortcut menu and click on the library option in the cascading menu. This is the cascading menu. Okay, under the extreme right hand side, you can see a small in red color, it is written the library. Just click that and your new library folder will open. Your okay, and you can customize it, you can rename it on your own, whatever folder you want to give the name. And on that particular folder, say for example, as I've told you before, you want to create a folder of games, okay, so you can write the name as games, and you can keep all your games in that particular folder. So this is how you create a library on your own, okay, according to your own customized need. So today only up to here. Let's have a summary. Okay, so we have known that what Windows Explorer is the main tool that we use to interact with Windows 7 operating system. Okay, then we have known that Windows Explorer helps us to view, explore, or to organize libraries. Okay, that means whatever contents are there in the library. Now what is library? Library is a kind of folder in Windows 7, okay, that allows us to organize our files in one place, so that it becomes easy for us to search and to use those files for future use. Okay, we did not look into other files, from all the different drives or the folders, okay, it will be stored into that particular folder which is known as library. And library has got 4 default folders, that is documents, music, pictures, and videos. Okay, and we can create our own library folder also according to our own customized needs, and we can name it, and we can keep our documents or whatever you want. So how we can open Windows Explorer? So we can open Windows Explorer in two ways, either by right click on the start button and select on open Windows Explorer option, or what we can do is we can click on the start, all programs, accessories, and then click on Windows Explorer, and the libraries folder okay, which is Windows Explorer, will get open and we can view the different files and folders in our computer. Okay, so today only up to here. Go through the video once again. All right, any doubt you can just ask me, okay, through my personal WhatsApp number, and after this I'll give you some assignment which you are to write in your copies, okay, and submit to me. And at the same time keep learning. On a very short while I'll let you know the date for your chapter test of session of chapter 1. Okay, thank you, have a nice day and keep learning.